Hey there, YouTubers. This is Luce County Park. I showed you the whole campground in a tour in the last video, but this time I'm going to show you the beautiful lake. I'm going to do some cooking and some kayaking on the beautiful lake, as well as a nice sunset that I hope you'll enjoy. So let's check it out. As I told you in the last video, they let us plug in both our vans on one spot for the same price, so it made it a great deal. We're back to plant-based meals. The Voice, she made us a fantastic gyro that I'm telling you, with all the fixings on it and the sauce, you'd think it's real meat. It was spectacular. Then for another meal, we had an awesome plant-based pasta salad that goes along great with these Impossible burgers, which I'll tell you again, Impossible makes me not miss real hamburger. My Charbroil Grill to Go puts great grill marks on anything you're cooking. A little bit too much, but not burnt. Not burnt. Impossible or real, it's not a burger until it gets its smiley face. These are really good plant-based breakfast bagel things. Awesome. So that is more than enough of the food. Let's get to the lake. We took the paddleboard out and then realized, hey, the office is getting ready to close. Let's go grab a kayak. So we did.
Looks like the office is open. Okay. Oh wait, that's a police car next to the office. Wonder why. What did I do? I did nothing. I am innocent. They're gonna get seasickness watching this. They're supposed to be open till what, like 1, from 10 to 1? Ooh, 4-wheel drive. I said 4-wheel drive.
What are you laughing?
Because I'm almost going backwards.
We made it in time. We rented 2 kayaks for 20 bucks. The staff is so nice that the guy helped me carry it down to the lake. And we'll show you some kayaking now, and then there'll be a sunset after. Hope you enjoy. Rented these kayaks. 10 bucks for 4 hours, so we got 2 of them for 4 hours. Campground's back there. There's some of the little cottages. I prefer the little ones to the big ones. Nice though, right? We're gonna go around a little bit more. North Manistee Lake is about 1,700 acres, 50 feet deep, so there's not gonna be anything extreme on this paddle around the lake. I don't know. I think I could give up the RV life for a beachfront, waterfront.
I agree.
They're taking trees down. The dogs are playing. Trying to move my head slow for you. That's a nice one. That's a nice little home. Oh, and the log cabin next door? Yeah. Yeah. Missed out on that family with lakefront property to will to me.
Well, I think of all the money that I blew.
Sure. Yep.
And I could have had my dream anytime.
Sure.
And I was just gone.
Yeah, and people go out and spend $250,000 on a Class B when you could buy a nice piece of land.
Yeah.
I'll keep Cousin Eddie, 15 grand. I'd sell them to you for 30 if it ever happens. Well, I got a series of stairs coming down from that one. Log cabin over there. It's nice. They got their dish right on their railing down to the lake. It's a cute little house. That's a cute little one with a nice fireplace up there. A boathouse. Bald eagle. GoPro can't be zoomed in to catch it. That's got to be fun to mow down to the lake. That's a pretty good hill.
Hopefully this is catching it. Even be thrilled with those little bitty ones. Little bitty shacks. That'd be good for me. Might be my style right there. I like the old ones in need of some TLC. Hard to tell. This was a resort, I bet ya. Yeah, there's more. Somebody was renting these out for a long time. There's a couple newer looking grills right here. Yeah, barbecue grills, see the black things? The kettle grills. So someone's been here not forever ago. She's into weeds. Yeah. That's a deal. If you find it for a good price, you find out which is the best one. You live in that one while you fix the other ones up. Hitching posts. Geese. Geeses. I don't want to piss them off. They got a bunch of babies. Somebody built a dock out here. Bunch of geese back there. Somebody built it. It's got a chair and a dock. This end is very marshy, I think. This is the natural end. All marshy. But we've gone a long way because I think the campground is back there. We've probably gone maybe half. We've realized that we took too big a bite of the apple. We're at the far end of the lake. We got a ways to go. Some nice little smaller cabins. I don't like the big fancy ones. I've said 100 times, I guess. I like the camps. It's like a camp. Not so much money that you can't afford to do anything else. These are nice though. I like all of those. The bigger one where they put a stone wall in for some reason. Those are all really cute. It's deeper here too. Huh? This is deeper. Yeah. You got to go a ways at the campground area. You got to go a long ways to get to this deep. Yeah. There's these other small older ones. Out there. Up there. We got to go up there. We got to go around to there. Probably should have brought something to drink.
Maybe I should have pissed the geese off. Attack of the Bloodthirsty Geese would have been a lot more entertaining of a video, huh? I'd never do that, but my videos are about places you can go more than anything anyways.
It's bigger than we thought. It's definitely bigger than we thought. But we've only been at this about an hour and 15 minutes. So we got plenty of time. Just take your time with it. Have a wonderful day out here. Yeah, we definitely bit off more than we could chew. Our eyes were bigger than our stomachs. Our eyes were bigger than our paddles. Our eyes were just too damn big. They're all beautiful. Yeah, they are. Well maintained.
If you notice, it was a real hazy day, but that didn't save us.
It's beautiful. Bowling pins for their front deck. don't know what that is for sure. I gotta catch up to the voice. Nice hat. Thumbs up. Look at that thumb.
I didn't hear you.
Good. We made it all the way around. That's the campground right ahead. It's a long ways we went. Hope you enjoyed Big Manistee Lake. You should have one of those there great and wonderful days. I think there's a loon. I think so. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm a really big fan of loons. The trill of a loon is just phenomenal to me.
They're all riding on her back pretty much.
After several cloudy and rainy days, we finally got a beautiful sunset. This is also the point when we realized, even on a cloudy day, we got pretty sunburned. I was bad, but the voice, she was really sunburnt. But she's a tough Uper chick, and she soldiered on. I'm going to stick some music in here. Normally I'd let you hear the lake, but it's a smaller lake, and it doesn't have amazing sounds.
Well, YouTubers, it wasn't spectacular, but at least we've seen the sun the last 2 days, and I hope you enjoyed, and have a great and wonderful day.